Good morning, children. Today we will start our chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. What is the use of Heron's formula? Do you know? Yes. We can find the area of triangle with this formula. But we know one equation to find the area of triangle. What is that equation? That is half into b into h. When the triangle is right angled triangle, then only we can use this formula. But if the triangle is scalene triangle, means the triangle with three different sides, we cannot use this formula to find the area. Did you understand? For that, one mathematician named Heron derived his famous formula for finding area of triangle in terms of side. That formula is S into root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the equation to find area of a triangle with different sides. Here A, B, C are the sides of triangle and S is the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half of its perimeter. And who derived this formula? Heron. He was born in Egypt and he worked in applied mathematics and he written three famous books, and in first book we can find the equation to find the area of triangles, squares, quadrilateral, everything. And here we are studying the Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle in terms of side. Okay. S into root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of triangle and S is a semi-perimeter. Then how can we find the semi-perimeter? Half of its perimeter. You know the perimeter of triangle. What is perimeter of triangle? Sum of all three sides is the perimeter of triangle. If you take half of it, then we can say it is semi-perimeter. Did you understand? See, by using this formula, how can we find the area of triangle with the different sides? Let us see. For that, I have taken questions from your exercise 12.1. What is the question? A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal? What should we find again? A traffic signal board indicating school ahead. What is given here? A traffic signal board. What does it indicate? It indicates the school ahead. That is the signal board. Is an equilateral triangle. What is the shape of that board? Equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? A triangle with equal sides. And they didn't give the measure of this side, but they told that we should take that side as A. Find the area of the signal board. Okay, what should we find? We should find the area of the signal board. What is the shape of the signal board? It is given as equilateral triangle. How can we find? By using Heron's formula. And for that they have given another hint, that is perimeter. Perimeter of the board is 180 centimeter. 180 centimeter. By using this hint, we should find the area of this traffic signal board. Okay, let us start. Okay, what are the hint given? That we should write first. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of triangle given. What is that? 180 centimeter. Okay, then side of triangle A. Perimeter of triangle. What is perimeter of the triangle? Then perimeter of the triangle we can write it as perimeter of triangle equal to A plus A. That is 3A. And they have given the value of 3A. What is the value of 3A? Value of 3A is May I rub this? Value of 3a equal to 180 centimeter. From this you can find the value of a by transposition method. That is 180 divided by 3, that is 60 centimeter. Did you understand? So we got the measure of one side of that equilateral triangle given, that is 60 centimeter. Okay, next one. If we know the value of a, that means sides of the triangle, then what can we find? We can find the semi-perimeter. Na? See, actually they have given the perimeter. The perimeter is 180 centimeter. Perimeter is 180 centimeter. Then S is equal to semi-perimeter. That is half of the perimeter. That is 1 upon 2 into 180. That is 90 centimeter. So we got S and sides. Then we can apply the Heron's formula here, and we can substitute these values to the Heron's formula. Okay, then what will be? Please note it. Yes. Mera? Yes. Here we got A as 60 centimeter and S as 90 centimeter. Okay, then we can apply these values to the Heron's formula, that is area of triangle equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and we can substitute the values here, that is root of S 90 minus 60, again 90 minus 60, again 90 minus 60. Why? Because ABC are equal, as the triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, then please note it down. Yes. Next, root of 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. 90 minus 60, 30. Okay. Then we can factorize this 90 also. How can we factorize this 90? 3 into 30 into, we can take this 30 here, 30 into 30 into 30. How many 30s are there? 4 30s. So we can take 230 out. So how can we write that one? When you take 230 out, what will be the remaining inside the root? That is 3. That is root 3 into 30 into 30. Only 3 will be inside the root and other 2 will come out of this root. Okay. Then 30 into 30, 900 root 3 centimeter square. It is the area of the triangle. Did you understand? And we can derive equation for the equilateral triangle. We can derive equation to find the area of an equilateral triangle by using Heron's formula. After this we will discuss that. I think you got the concept clearly. Okay. Shall we move to other section? Okay, thank you.